Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for stopping by. In today's video I'm going to show you how I designed this ladies headband. If you are new here, definitely be sure to hit that subscription button down this video so that you can also be part of my sewing squad. Now guys, let's get started. Now here guys, I have done cutting my fabric off camera. I'm just going ahead and show you the measurement. Now here guys, in this headband you don't need to worry about the head circumference and the measurement of head circumference, because we had the elastic that is going to be attached at the back of this headband. After that guys, I'm going ahead and fold these two pieces together, right side facing each other. Then I sew this side on each of these pieces. Now guys, I'm done sewing. I'm going ahead and flip both pieces inside out. Another thing guys, you can decide to use the non-stretchy fabric. It really worked perfectly on this headband. Myself here, I'm just using the material that I made available for me. Yes, material that I always use on my turban head wrap. This is the very same material that I'm using now here. It also worked perfect. Now guys, I'm just going ahead and use my safety pin to put through the elastic. Pinning here is just to secure. Now guys, I'm just going ahead and put it like this, right at the middle of the edge. I'm going to pin down so that it won't move the time I start stitching. I'm going ahead and fold this. After folding guys, I'm just going to pin down and take it to my sewing machine. Now here guys, I have repeat the process so that you can see clear what is going on here. I'm just folding it again and pin down so that it don't move the time I start stitching down. I'm going ahead and stitch right here. Now that I'm done stitching, I'm going ahead and cut all this excess thread. Now guys, I'm going to take the other piece and I'm going to put through on this loop and going forward guys, I'm just going to put it at the middle of these two pieces. I'm going to pin down so that it don't move the time I start stitching. I'm going to pin down and fold it like I did before on the other side. After that, I'm going to stitch right here. Make sure that you always cut off this excess fabric so that you reduce the bulk when you flip this inside out. After that guys, I'm going ahead and flip this part inside out. Then my ribbon is ready. Now that I'm done with my band, I'm just going ahead and put it on my mannequin so that you guys can see the product. If this is something you are genuinely interested on, definitely be sure to hit that subscription button down this video, and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. Well, that being said, I will see you on my next video. I'm out.